Welcome guys to Avi's Academy. We will be working out our second tricky problem. So let's move towards our problem. This is the illustration that we are considering today. So if you see the illustration, few statistics they have given sigma x, sigma y, sigma xy, x square, sigma y square, and then they have asked us to find out, estimate the value of y if corresponding value of x is 5. Along with that, they have given number of observation ka information. So let us work out this problem.
Let's see our illustration for the day. So I called it as a tricky illustration. The reason why I am calling it as a tricky illustration I have already given to you. So let's see the illustration. So they said in a bivariate data, sigma x is equal to 30, sigma y is equal to 400, and sigma xy is 850. And sigma x square is 196 and sigma y square is 4,65,000. So ಇದೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬೈವೇರಿಯೇಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈವೇರಿಯೇಟ್ ಡೇಟಾದ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ವೈ ಇದೆ, ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇದೆ, ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆನಂತರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ 10. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬೈವೇರಿಯೇಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೈವೇರಿಯೇಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೈ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ 10. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ವೈ ಇಫ್ corresponding value of x is 50. So y na value find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So we have to estimate the value of y if corresponding value of x is 5. if x na value 5 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ y na value ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನಾವು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ವೈನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಫಿಟ್ ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇಫ್ ವೈಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್, x value is given, what is the value of y we used to find out previously, right? But in this question they have not given x, they have not given y, the series of observation. Instead of that they have given some statistics with respect to x and y, which is I have already disclosed, sigma x, sigma y, sigma xy, sigma x square and sigma y square. Okay, so we have to use these values and then we have to fit, we need to find out y's value. That means we need to fit which regression equation, y on x equation we have to fit. So we have two methods, we have algebraic method and we have arithmetic mean method. So now imagine the algebraic method. So remember what we need in case of algebraic method to fit y on x equation. So y on x equation under algebraic method we write y is equal to a plus bx, right? And then we fit to set up two normal equation. So in the normal equation we write few values and these values can be used with the normal equation to extract y's value. But the process will be little difficult and at the same time it will consume your time. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನನ್ನು ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನನ್ನು ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆನಂತರ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಅಥವಾ ಬಿ ಆಫ್ ವೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಅರಿಥ್ಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ ಅರಿಥ್ಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಅರಿಥ್ಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ three kind of equation, one with x bar value to find out beta value, I mean b value, and then with the correlation value, and then there was one more equation to find out b of xy or b of yx that takes into account these values, sigma x, sigma y, sigma xy, sigma x square and sigma y square. So we will apply that equation to derive b value, that is our slope coefficient, and then we will fit y on x equation. Okay, so let us do that. So let's see, I said we need to apply y on x equation because we need to find the value of y. So we will write that first. in our solution. So I'll start the solution here. I'll increase the font. So here what we need to find out, we need to fit y on x, we need to find the value of y, we need to find the value of y, and therefore we need to fit y on x equation. We need to fit y on x equation here, so we'll be doing that now. So next what we will write the given values. Okay, given. So what are the values given? We'll see in the question. The values given are sigma x, sigma y, sigma xy, and then we have sigma x square and sigma y square, right? So these are the values that are given in the question. So I'll write that as it is. So these are the values which are given. Along with this value, there is one more value, right, which is n. N is equal to, they said number of observation, right here. The number of observation are 10. So this is our n value. So I'll write the n value. So these are the values which we have. Now we need to, I said we will be using arithmetic mean method, right? So, and we have to fit y on x equation. So that's, we have stated here, we need to fit y on x equation. So we will be doing that. So let us fit y on x equation. Fitting, I'll write y on x equation, y on x equation. So under arithmetic mean method we are solving it. So let us find that. So I'll write y on x equation first. So how y on x equation appears? Y minus y bar is equal to, I'll insert an equation, y minus y bar is equal to b of yx into y minus y bar, right? Okay, I'll change this here. Y minus y bar is equal to b of, Control Z, b of yx, right? Because y on x equation, so namge ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವ coefficient b of yx. So we will be finding that now. So b of yx into x minus x bar into x minus x bar. So that's we need. So I'll do that now, x minus x bar. So this is our y on x equation. So we have to fit y on x equation in this question, because we need to find the value of y, and because they have given the value of x. Okay, let us do that. So this is our y on x equation. So we don't know what is y bar value, we don't know what is x bar value, at the same time we don't know what is b of yx value. So let us find out b of yx value first. Okay, so we need b of yx. So we need to write our equation as well, which is equal to n into sigma xy, n into sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y. So sigma x, that's here, into sigma y into sigma y sigma xy divided by n into sigma x square, n into sigma x square, n into sigma x square because we are finding out y on x equation. So therefore x will be the denominator in the case. So n into sigma x square into sigma x whole square, sigma x whole square, okay, sigma x whole square. So we need square of the term, so let's write that. Sigma x whole square, copy and paste that there, okay, sigma x whole square. So this is a value which we need. This is the equation which we are applying. Instead of solving under algebraic method by writing normal equation, we can use this to arrive at b of yx value. Once the b of yx value if we get, then it is easy to find out y's value. So let's do that. We'll continue with the value. So b of yx is equal to, so b of yx is equal to, now what we will do is we will substitute the values which are given above, given in the question, with this equation. So first b of yx we need to find out. N's value we have already written, so now I'll replace n with 10, which is its value is 10, into sigma xy. Sigma xy is how much? 850. So sigma xy is 850 minus sigma x. Sigma x is how much? 30. So sigma x 30 into sigma y. Sigma y is how much? 400. So sigma y is 400, and then n into sigma x square. So first I'll write n. So n is 10 into how much? Sigma x square, which is 196, right? So 196 minus sigma x whole square. Sigma x is 30. So sigma x is 30 whole square, okay. So this is the equation after substitution. So let's find the values next. So next what we need to do, we need to find the values. So 10 into 850 is equal to how much? It is 8500. 10 into 850 is 8500. Next 30 into 400 is 3 into 4 is 12, and then 3 zeros we have, so it will be 12,000. It will be 30 into 400, that's 12,000. 12,000. Then 10 into 196 is 1960. 1960. 30 square they said, right? 30 into 30. 30 square is how much? It is 900. Correct? 30 into 30. 3 into 3 is 9, and then we have single zero, that will become double zero. So 900. And then we can directly find the value. 8500 minus 12,000, which is equal to, let's use our calculator for this. So 8500, so that's our first value. 8500 minus how much? 12,000, right? So which is equal to 3 minus 3500. So that is our first value, minus 3500. So I'll write that now, minus 3500. So this will become minus 3500, right? So we'll write that, minus 3500, minus symbol, don't ignore that. Then 1960 minus 900, this is easy to calculate. 1960 minus 900 is 1060, right? So I'll be writing that. Now we have to find, directly we can find the value of b of yx. Minus 3500 divided by 1060, which is equal to minus 3.3018. So we used to consider 4 digits. continuously in our previous calculation as well. So we will be doing that here as well. We will be considering 4 digit, because if you use any statistical software, maybe SPSS or eViews or Gretel for econometrics computation, so generally your regression result will have 4 digits after the decimal point. So we will be doing that here as well. So 3.30188, so I'll write 3.3019. Okay, 3.3019. So this is our b of yx coefficient. Okay, so this is so we have found the value of b of yx. Next we need to fit y on x equation. We need y bar and x bar. So let us find the value of y bar and x bar. Okay, next. So we'll continue our computation. So we need x minus, x bar and y bar. So x bar is equal to sigma x divided by n. So sigma x na value is to mele kottidare. We will see that and we will write that. Okay. Sigma x, I think it is 30. We have used it before. So let's see. Let us confirm. So sigma x is 30, n is 10. So therefore x bar is, I think anybody can tell this, which is equal to 3. So this is our x bar value, and after that we need another value which is y bar, right? So we need to find out y bar as well. So let us do that. So y bar value we need to find out. So x bar we got, next it is y bar. So y bar is equal to sigma y divided by n. So we need sigma y's value. Sigma y is 400. Yeah, sigma y is 400. So 400 divided by 30, which is equal to how much? It is equal to 40, right? 400 by 10 is 40. So this is our x minus x bar and x bar and y bar value. So now straight away we can fit our equation. So fitting equation, fitting y on x equation, y on x equation. Next. Okay, let us do that. So fitting y on x equation. Now yes, we will fit the equation. So we need few values for that. So let's take our y on x equation from here, and then we'll substitute the value. We know what are the values now. Y bar, x bar, b of yx we already know, so we can proceed towards our computation. So this is our y minus y bar equation. So let us substitute the values. Y bar is how much? Y bar we have already found out, it is here, which is 40, and x bar we have found out, which is how much? It is 40, and x bar is 3, right? So I'll replace that, which is 3, and b of yx is how much? Minus 3.3019. Okay, so minus 3.3019. So that is our b of yx value, minus 3.3019. Okay, so this is our y on x equation. So we have not got it yet, so we will proceed again. So next what we need to do is we need to multiply minus 3.30 with x and minus 3. So minus 3.3019 into x will become minus 3.3019x, and then minus 3.3019 into minus 3. So minus into minus, what it becomes? It becomes plus, right? So therefore it is plus. Now we need to multiply this, minus 3.3019 into 3. So let us do that. Clear this. 3.3019 into 3. Minus into minus becomes plus. So straight away we are taking absolute values, not with symbols. So into 3, minus 3.3019, which is 9.9057. Okay, so 9.9057, right? 9.9057. So this is our 9.9057. Okay, so this is our a value, this is our b of yx value, right? So next what we need to do, it's not over yet. This is not a value because we have a numerical value here. We have to take that value to the right hand side of the equation. So let us do that now in our next step. Here it is minus 40. When it goes to the right hand side, it becomes plus 40, right? So plus 40. So now we can add the value in our next part. So y is equal to minus 3.3019x and then plus 9.9057 plus 40 will become 49.9097. Okay, so this is our y on x equation. Okay, this is our y on x equation. Next, what we need to do, we need to find the value of y if x is equal to how much? X, they said 5, right? X is equal to 5. Let's see in our question, it is x is equal to 5. Okay, so we have to find the value of x and y using our equation. Okay, so I'll write the equation because with this equation we are substituting the value of x. Okay, so next step we will be writing this again, and then here in the next step we will be substituting. What the value of x? The value of x is 5, right? So into 5. So let us find the value now. So which is y is equal to minus 3.3019 into 5. You need to find that value. So let us do that. Minus 3.30 minus 3.3019 minus 3.3019 into 5, which will become minus 16.5095. Okay, so minus 16.5095 minus 16.5095. Okay, so this is the value we have got after multiplication. Then we can straight away find the value. So therefore y is equal to minus 16.5095 plus 49.9057, right? So we have to find that value. So plus minus 16.5095, which is here, plus 49.9057. So 49.9057, which is equal to our y value, which is 33.3962. 33.3962. So this is how we need to correct 33.3962. Yeah, this is how we need to find the value of y using the given
Thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and with your classmates and whoever wishes to learn about regression estimation. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please hit subscribe button and then press bell icon for continuous notification. Thank you once again.